Hey, Chris Ferdinandi here with another Vanilla.js quick tip. Let's get into it. You can use the array reverse method to reverse the order of items in an array. This one, you just call on the array you want to reverse. It doesn't accept any arguments or anything. So here I have an array of numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And if I call array reverse on them, it will reverse the order of the items in this array. So count will now have 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 as its value. It's important to note that this does not create a new array. It modifies the array you call it on. If we jump over to the browser, you can see my count array now has a value of 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe and maybe even share it with someone else who you think might enjoy it. You can also get my daily developer tips newsletter over at gomakethings.com, where every weekday I share a new tip, trick, tool, or Vanilla.js snippet to help you build a simpler and more resilient web. Thanks so much for watching.